It's very common to have a volume and want to be able to convert that between liters, milliliters, and microliters. As long as we know the conversion factors among these units, then we should be able to make any of those conversions. In this example, we have 56 liters, and we want to convert that into a number of milliliters and microliters. So to make the first conversion, we are starting out with 56 liters, and we're going to multiply that by a conversion factor. When we set this up, we're going to put liter units on the bottom because ultimately we want to get rid of the liters and we want those units to be able to cancel out. And then on the top here, I'm going to write milliliters because milliliters is the unit that I want to end up with. Once I know that I have a conversion factor there that has milliliters and liters in it, I'm going to go up here, I'm going to look at my conversion factors, and I'm going to identify one that has both of those units in it. Here we can see that in 1 liter, we have 1,000 milliliters. So now I just need to fill that into my equation down here. In 1 liter, I have 1,000 milliliters. At this point, we can just do the math. We can cancel out the liters because we have the same thing on the top and bottom. And then we multiply straight across the top, which is going to give us 56,000 milliliters. And on the bottom would just be 1. So 56 liters would be the same as 56 milliliters. So we could fill that in now, 56,000 milliliters. If we want to do the next conversion, we're going to take the 56,000 milliliters, and this time we want to set that up so that we have milliliters on the bottom here because we want to get rid of the milliliters now. And we want to convert that into a number of microliters. So I'm going to put microliters on the top. Again, we come back up here to our conversion factors and we identify one that has both milliliters and microliters in it. And we can see from those that in 1 milliliter, we have 1,000 microliters. We can then do the math. We can cancel our milliliter units. And if we multiply straight across, now we get 56 million microliters. Okay. And then we can fill that in there. So 56 liters would be equivalent to 56,000 milliliters, and that would also be equivalent to 56 million microliters.